aka Mommy T and F. Happy Sunday to you all. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys went to church. Yeah. We're on our way to Duisburg City. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the red button there, subscribe, and after that, don't forget to click on the bell so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to be notified. A lot of things are coming. Okay, a lot of things are coming. And if you have already subscribed, I just want to say thank you and God bless you all. So, how do I look? My makeup, I did it myself. I hope I tried. I'm still learning, you know. So I'm still learning. If you like my video, please drop a comment there, positive comment, and don't forget to click on the like button. They just click like for me. And what else again? So it's just a short one. Just a short one. My farm. How do I look? Contact me if you need hair. I sell hair as well. See this one, I got it myself. Jewelries, makeup, cosmetics, anything at all. Just inbox Mama T. I'm always there. I don't sell fake hair. Everything about me is real. To my fans, to those that have already subscribed, the 268 I have there. Much love, yeah. I love you guys. God bless you. Happiness they grow from my body. We are still going, don't worry. It's like you don't know my name, no? Now me say so, see I start a balance. Because I'm a chief lieutenant. You know see my car, it's German. You know see the swag, gallant. See many they claim I'm madam, but I don't know these babes from madam. We just want to follow the you know that nobody is madam. Just remind flex like you happy gym.